Guys, good morning. For today's video, yan yung alaga namin. Yan o. Tisoy ang pangalan yan. Yan, Tisoy. Yan, bagong ligo yan guys. Yan. Tuwang-tuwa yan guys pag napapaliguan. Yan. Oh. Fresh na fresh yung alaga namin guys. Oh, yan. Yan siya guys. Oh, yan guys. Yan. Yan. Talagang bagong ligo-ligo oh. Fresh na fresh yung mukha. Basang-basa, ang bango. Chickens yan guys. Oh. Chickens. Yan. Guys. Yan. Kusa lang yan guys. Kusa siyang umakyat yan sa may upuan na yan. Yan guys. So hanggang dito lang muna guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Tara.